To truly increase your running power, you need to focus on building strength, enhancing your technique, and maintaining consistency in your training regimen. Begin with a clear understanding of your goals. Consider whether you're aiming for shorter distances like sprints or longer runs. Each has its own specific requirements, yet all benefit from a robust foundation in strength. Incorporating strength training into your routine is essential. Exercises like squats, lunges, and deadlifts target your major muscle groups, promoting overall power. Engaging in plyometric workouts such as box jumps or bounding exercises will also contribute to explosive strength, translating directly into your running performance. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength sessions each week, ensuring that you allow adequate recovery between workouts. Technique plays a pivotal role in running power. Proper biomechanics, including efficient arm movements and maintaining an upright posture, can drastically improve your efficiency on the track. During your runs, focus on keeping your strides short and quick. This not only aids in achieving a higher cadence, but also reduces the risk of injury by minimizing the impact forces on your body. Incorporating interval training into your schedule is another effective way to build running power. Short bursts of increased intensity, followed by recovery periods, challenge your cardiovascular system and enhance your speed. Consistently pushing your limits during these intervals will build endurance and power, making you a stronger runner overall. Consistency is key in any fitness journey. Establish a running schedule that accommodates both short, intense workouts and longer, slower runs. Gradually increase your weekly mileage while ensuring you are listening to your body. Prioritize rest days to allow your muscles to recover and adapt, preventing burnout and injuries. Nutrition is a crucial aspect of increasing running power. Fueling your body with the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats will provide the energy needed for your workouts. Hydration also plays a significant role in performance. Make it a habit to drink water before, during, and after your runs to maintain optimal hydration levels. Finally, set measurable goals and track your progress. Whether it's a certain distance or time you want to achieve, having specific targets provides motivation and a sense of accomplishment. Embrace the journey, adjusting your routines as needed while celebrating the progress you make along the way. With dedication and the right approach, you'll notice a significant boost in your running power.